How are you? Hope you're all okay. I'm sorry I've not done any videos of late, but just been a bit busy doing all the gigs and the shows with the band, so it's been pretty much wiping me out, especially the 40-degree heat we've been playing at, or playing in. We've had some great gigs though, so anyway, I hope you're all okay, and thanks to all you new subscribers. Thanks very much for tuning in, and I'm pleased that you're finding some of these videos I've done over the last 3 or 4 years have helped to you, so I know a lot of you have made comments and really appreciate it, so thanks for subscribing. And anyway, we're out on the boat, as you might have gathered, again, and we've got a beautiful, lovely little chapel just there. Look, beautiful little chapel there. That's from the walks. This is Suda Bay. On. Oh, it's all right. There's a tanker coming in. And
good morning, Captain. Please proceed to the entrance. I'm on the way to you and prepare a pilot ladder port side.
Did you hear that? Prepare the ladder port side. And the boat name is Empress.
Okay.
Yeah, it's coming in. You might see him in the distance just there. And a pilot boat is going to be coming out. And check him out. Do a bit of security, future security checks. So yeah, but anyway, we're here. And guess who's in the water? Hey, Linda Lou's. So yeah, we just found this nice little spot. So I've never moored here before. It's well, there's the old low rans thing. Look, 3.6 meters deep. These are fish, as you might have gathered. See that? Oh yes. So, but we're not fishing today. We're just chilling out. So I just thought I'd touch base with you because I've not done any videos of late. For the reasons why I said earlier. If you're looking at buying a Halfords Cool Box, then don't hesitate. They're absolutely fantastic. A good friend of mine, boating friend, recommended a Halfords Cool Box, a plug-in job into the cigarette lighter. And you might be on a car, you might be in a truck, you might be in a little camper van, whatever. If you're in the market for a cool box, then don't look any further than the Halfords Cool Box. I bought this at Christmas. It's now August, so I've had it 6 months, but obviously it's only been used for a short while, for a few months. And we're in Crete, Greece, so I shipped it all over in a suitcase. And let me show you the old Halfords Cool Box. It's actually in my boat. I'm on a boat. Yes, I'm on a boat. So let me show you. Here it is. Here's the Halfords Cool Box, and there's the cigarette lighter that I put in specially for it, and you might be able to hear it whizzing away. But there we are. And in here, this is the small, well, it's not the smallest, it's the next one up. It cost me about £45, but look, it's absolutely great little bit of kit, and gives you an idea of what I've got in there. I've got a couple of cans of Greek beer and an iced tea. But we've had bread in there, we've had sausages in there, we've had everything. And it's a really cool, pardon the pun guys, pardon the pun, it's a really great little fridge. And all the wires and everything took away in there. It's got a nice handle there. And it's a fantastic bit of kit. And I highly recommend it. So that's the Halfords Cool Box. Let me move this bag of bolts. There we are. How cool is that? And it's on my boat, and it's keeping everything nice and fresh, whatever we want to do. And it's just fantastic. So if you're thinking of getting one, just get one. It's well worth the money, and well made as well. Very robust. And it doesn't. What surprised me actually, because obviously on the seas here, we do get a lot of waves, and the actual cool box itself hasn't tipped over at all, so quite impressed with that, to be honest with you. We've had a few bits in it obviously to weight it down, but it has been pretty damn good. So to be honest with you, I wish I'd bought the bigger one now. So when I'm back over in England at Christmas, I think I might be popping to Halfords to get the next size up and have 2 on board. So I've got another cigarette lighter down here. So yeah, so very impressed with it. There it is. One more look. That's the Halfords Cool Box. Hope you enjoyed it. Rock and roll. So anyway, thanks a lot for tuning in guys, and we'll catch up with you another day. Alright, rock and roll. Yes. Rock and roll.